There are a few things we need to make sure of before we can add a device to Hik-Connect. First, we need to ensure that your Hik-Vision recorder is receiving an internet connection and platform access is enabled. You will also need your recording device's serial number and its verification code. There are how-to guides in the description if you need assistance finding your serial number or getting platform access online. Also note, the device cannot be bound to another user. If it is, you'll be brought to a page that is asking you to apply for sharing, and it will not let you add the device to your own account. Moving over to the Hik-Connect app, to add manually, you'll first want to navigate to the home page. Next, tap the plus icon on the top right. Then choose Add Device manually. On the next page, we will enter our device's 9-digit serial number. There is a video guide on how to find this, but it is generally located on the back or sides of your recorder. The next page will ask for a verification code. This is a security key that can be manually set on the recorder itself. To find the verification code on your recorder, click on Configuration, indicated by the gear icon. Next, click on Network. Then click on Platform Access. Inside Platform Access, you should see your verification code. You can click the eye to reveal what the code is. You may also edit the code to something you'll remember for future use. If you do not see a verification code, it may be disabled, or you may need to troubleshoot network settings to get platform access back online. If you are running a version 5.0 recorder, your verification code will be located on a different page. To find it, click the 4 squares on the top left to take you to the app page. Then locate and click on System Settings. Then, instead of Platform Access, you'll want to navigate to Hik-Connect. Inside the Hik-Connect page, you should see the verification code. Click the eye to reveal the code. You may also edit it as needed. If you have a computer on site, you can alternatively find the verification code through the recorder's web interface. Simply log in using the recorder's IP. Navigate to Configuration. Click on Network. Depending on recorder version, your verification code will either be located in Platform Access or Hik-Connect. From here, you can click to reveal the code and edit it as needed. Enter your device's verification code and click Next. If you plan to use a DDoS service, you can configure it here. In most cases, it is not required and can be skipped. You may also skip the next page unless you have a service provider that will be managing your device. Once you are done, you should be brought back to the home page and all cameras should be online. If you are unable to view any cameras, contact our support team who will help troubleshoot.